Hi friend, today I would like to share with you about topic of conservation. What do you mean by conservation? The act of conserving, prevention of injury, decay, waste or loss. Preservation, conservation of wildlife, conservation of human rights, also supervision of river, forest, and other natural resources in order to preserve and protect them from prudent management. What is a conservation? Short answer. Conservation is the protection of things found in nature. It requires sensible use of earth, natural resources, water, soil, mineral, wildlife, and forest. People who care about conservation try to preserve natural resources so they will still be around in the future. What is the definition of conservation? Number one, a careful preservation and protection of something, especially land management of a natural resource to prevent exploitation, destruction, or neglect. Water conservation, wildlife conservation. Number two, preservation of physical quantity during transformation or reaction. What is the importance of conservation? The most obvious reason for conservation is to protect wildlife and promote biodiversity. Protecting wildlife and preserve it for future generations also means that animals we love don't become a distant memory, and we can maintain a healthy and functional ecosystem. What is the purpose of conservation? Conservation is the care and protection of these resources so that they can persist for future generations. Conservation seeks sustainable use of nature by humans and for activities such as hunting, logging, or mining. While preservation means protecting nature from human use. What are the types of conservation? Method of conservation. By law, giving protection to animal and plant species or special area of land or water. Restoration, to restore unsightly countryside, wet tip and lake heaps, etc. Rewilding, alternative energy, natural reserve and use, recycling, education. What are the benefits of conservation? The benefit of land conservation: reducing air and water pollution, preserving open and green space, preserve fish and wildlife habitats, endangered species and biodiversity, managing and protecting watershed and wetland, maintaining scenic landscape and recreational amenity, preventing soil erosion and improving soil quality. What do we need environmental conservation? If we conserve environmental, we preserve the natural resources, because healthy ecosystems sustain the fundamental human life and civilization. They clean the air and water they were dependent on, provide important natural resources. Healthy ecosystems are necessary for food production, free of toxins. Why is it necessary to conserve environment? The environment provides us fresh air to breathe, raw material and useful products such as medicine, goods, etc. For food and industrial purpose, it is necessary to conserve our environment because an increased intervention of humans with the environment has proved to be detrimental to the plant and animal. How do we conserve animals? Here where you can make a difference. Number one, adopt from a wild animal to wild places. There are options for everyone. Number two, volunteer if you don't have money to give, donate your time. Number three, visit zoo, aquarium, national park, and wildlife refuge are all home to wild animals. Number four, donate. Number five, speak up. Number six, buy responsibly. Number seven, fit in. Number eight, recycle. Remember, subscribe to see the next video. Thank you.